fasting beast. God will send you anything you want in the price of labor. So anything is obtainable. Anything you want in this life, you just have to put the right amount of effort, the right energy. So your body, you want to build your body, you gotta go to the gym. You gotta make sure you eat the right food. You gotta make sure you check your macros, so you can start building muscle. So you want to start making money, you gotta make sure you clock in. You gotta put the hours. You gotta make sure you learn the right skills to start making money, so you can teach somebody how to make money and get paid. So you want a relationship, you gotta work for it. So everything is obtainable, but after you get it, you still gotta work for it. You still gotta put work. So on your relationships, on your body, on your side hustles. So even if you learn some skills like a drop shipping and you open your store, you still gotta put the work. You're just not gonna keep making money. You gotta start making money, and you gotta keep putting the work. Keep finding a winning product so you can keep selling on that shipping or anything you do. You gotta keep putting the work. You want to keep the body, you gotta keep working on your body. So everything is obtainable. You just gotta put the right amount of energy and effort. I am the fasting beast.